want to be so clear that this cough, I'm on week 4, is no fucking joke. And nobody can give me a way to make it stop. I've tried Tylenol cold and flu. Nope. Mucinex. Nope. Zicam. Mm-mm. I have gone through 3 bags of these 80 Halls count and still nothing. I have done Vicks on my nose, on my upper lip. I've done Vicks on my chest. I've done Vicks on my feet. There's some free foot content for you. It does not work. I've tried Gaithers, Grethers. I have tried the hot steam showers. No. I've been sleeping sitting upright, propped up on pillows for 3 weeks. And it hasn't slowed the cough, not one little bit. The only thing it has done is made my neck hurt. And I've done that like thumping thing that the Asian lady recommended where you do this 36 times and then you do this 36 times. And I don't understand this. Doing this is like a cough activator. It's like a go button. I don't know why you think this stops it. I have tried all the teas. Yes, with lemon and with honey. And I don't know who is saying, just take a teaspoon of honey, because all that does is coat your throat with sugar and then you're coughing up sugar. Like, what? And to the lady who said, oh, just eat some big marshmallows before bedtime because the gelatin in it coats your throat. It doesn't. Now I just have diabetes from all the marshmallows and Hall's sugar candy. And also from this. Someone said, oh, you just take a little spoonful of a Jell-O packet and mix it and then heat it and like it's tea and drink it, the gelatin is supposed to coat your throat again. And all I can tell you is, okay, it did work for like 10 minutes. And then all it did was make me have to cough again. And now like my fupa is expanding from all of the sugar. Yes, and also I have done the albuterol and the steroids. Like I have legit tried everything. I don't want to live like this. Can someone help, please?